Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a PS3 football game. We'll start with the basics, covering essential controls for moving your players and executing simple passes. You'll learn which buttons control sprinting, tackling, and kicking, giving you a solid foundation. Mastering these initial steps is crucial for building your skills and enjoying every match. Get ready to hit the virtual field. Now, let's dive into offense. You'll discover how to execute a variety of passing plays, from quick, short throws to deep, long bombs downfield. We'll also cover utilizing your running backs for powerful ground gains, breaking through the defensive line. Don't forget to master calling audibles and changing formations before the snap to outsmart your opponent. Switching to defense, it's time to shut down the opposition. Learn to implement different defensive formations, like a 4-3 or a 3-4, to effectively counter various offensive strategies. We'll focus on mastering tackling techniques, intercepting passes, and swatting away potential completions. Applying pressure to the quarterback with well-timed blitzes will also be key to your success. Finally, let's elevate your game with advanced techniques. You'll learn how to execute impressive jukes and spin moves to evade defenders, turning a small gain into a huge play. Remember, consistent practice is vital for improving your timing and execution of every maneuver. Don't hesitate to customize your playbook, tailoring it to your unique playing style for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.